swiftly integrate fittings, transforming pipe segments into complex, functional systems with precision. With elegant precision, robotic arms snap complex fittings into place, forming intricate, highly functional.
Deep within advanced facilities, the journey of raw materials transforms into essential components for our modern world.
These perfectly machined threads are the foundation of secure, reliable connections, ensuring system integrity and longevity. Raw materials undergo rigorous inspection. Precision testing guarantees every granule meets the highest industry standards.
Every journey begins with meticulous sourcing, ensuring only the purest raw plastic pellets enter this high-tech domain. Automated systems precisely funnel diverse plastic pellets, each color destined for specific pipe formulations and applications.
Precise blending initiates the transformation. Different colored pellets unify, creating the perfect foundation for durable pipes.
From rigorous inspection, purified plastic pellets ascend into vast storage silos, poised for their transformative journey. The extruder, the heart of the process, begins its work. Pellets melt, preparing for their monumental transformation into pipes.
Witness the birth. Molten plastic, precisely shaped by the die, emerges as the foundation of a robust new pipe.
Laser precision ensures flawless dimensions. Every millimeter of the pipe is meticulously scanned, meeting rigorous specifications.
The pulling machine guides the pipe with unwavering force, maintaining perfect tension for its continuous journey. From raw input to finished form, the extrusion line orchestrates a seamless, high-tech ballet of transformation.
Expert technicians meticulously monitor and adjust, ensuring every parameter of the complex extrusion process remains optimal. Automated sensors tirelessly scan every inch, guaranteeing an impeccable, flawless surface, meeting the highest quality benchmarks.
With laser-guided precision, automated blades cut the continuous pipe into uniform lengths, ready for the next phase.
Each cut is a testament to precision. Razor-sharp edges reveal the pipe's flawless integrity, ready for assembly. Automated precision guides each pipe segment. Sorted and categorized, they move seamlessly towards their designated next stage. In the vast, organized warehouse, perfectly cut pipes await their next crucial step, a testament to meticulous planning. Human expertise provides the final check. Calipers verify internal diameter, ensuring absolute adherence to exact specifications.
Advanced internal coatings are meticulously applied. This protective layer ensures enhanced performance and extended pipe longevity. Through controlled heat, the internal coating cures, strengthening the pipe's structure and optimizing its long-term performance. A final touch, a tactile confirmation. The cured surface is flawless, ready to withstand the rigors of its intended environment.
CNC precision drills attachment points, ensuring perfect alignment and seamless integration for complex pipe systems.
Robotic arms meticulously deburr each opening, ensuring smooth, precise edges for optimal connection and long-term durability.
Precision threading creates robust connections. Each thread is perfectly formed, guaranteeing leak-proof and secure pipe installations. These perfectly machined threads are the foundation of secure, reliable connections, ensuring system integrity and longevity. Specialized adhesive is meticulously applied, creating an unbreakable bond, essential for the pipe's long-term structural integrity. With satisfying precision, components unite, forming an impermeable, robust connection crucial for the pipe's intended function.
Ultrasonic energy fuses plastic at a molecular level, creating an incredibly strong, seamless, and leak-proof bond. The molecular bond forms an invisible, unbreakable seam. This flawless fusion ensures maximum strength and reliability. Automated assembly stations swiftly integrate fittings, transforming pipe segments into complex, functional systems with precision. With elegant precision, robotic arms snap complex fittings into place, forming intricate, highly functional pipe structures.
Every joint undergoes meticulous leak testing. Any emerging bubble signifies a flaw.
Even the smallest bubble is a critical indicator. No imperfection escapes our rigorous, uncompromising quality control standards. Inside the automated pressure chamber, pipes endure immense hydraulic forces, proving their unwavering strength and resilience. Pressure readings climb, pushing limits. This rigorous test validates each pipe's structural integrity, ensuring peak performance. Robotic precision applies a high-quality sealant, forming an impenetrable barrier, guaranteeing the pipe's long-term protection. The flawless sealant bead creates an impenetrable barrier, protecting every joint from environmental degradation, ensuring longevity.
Laser precision etches brand logos and crucial specifications, ensuring every pipe is uniquely identified and authenticated.
Etched logo signifies quality and origin. Each mark guarantees authenticity, a symbol of our unwavering commitment. Protective end caps are carefully applied, safeguarding the pipe's pristine interior during transit and storage.
The final touch, a perfectly fitted end cap, ensuring the pipe's integrity until its ultimate installation. Automated bundling machines efficiently prepare finished pipes, creating secure packages for safe and streamlined distribution. Secure strapping meticulously bundles the pipes, guaranteeing their safe arrival, pristine and undamaged, at their destination. Robotic arms meticulously stack pipe bundles onto pallets, orchestrating precise, efficient preparation for global distribution. Fully loaded pallets, securely shrink-wrapped, stand ready for transport, a testament to efficiency and global reach. Robotic forklifts glide silently, transporting pallets with precision, orchestrating the seamless flow of goods through our vast warehouse.
For rotation relays. The loading docks, trucks are efficiently packed. Our pipes embark on their global journey.
Every bundle is meticulously scanned, ensuring precise inventory and traceable delivery, a commitment to seamless logistics. Our fleet departs, carrying essential pipelines worldwide, connecting communities, supporting infrastructure, building the future.
From our factory to your city, our pipes become the unseen arteries, vital for modern urban infrastructure.
Skilled hands join pipe sections, crafting secure, leak-proof connections, the backbone of resilient underground networks. Our pipes nourish vast agricultural fields, delivering life-sustaining water, fostering growth.
Precise water delivery, drop by precious drop, sustains vibrant crops, ensuring bountiful harvests for future generations.
Within modern homes, our pipes are the unseen backbone, providing essential water and comfort for everyday living. Meticulously installed, these pipes form a dependable network, ensuring a constant, fresh water supply to every faucet. In bustling commercial complexes, our pipes silently power heating and cooling systems, ensuring comfort and efficiency.
Insulated pipes regulate temperature with precision, ensuring energy efficiency and optimal climate control throughout the complex.
Within demanding industrial settings, our pipes form critical pathways, safely conveying vital fluids and gases, ensuring operational continuity.
Heavy-duty pipes, fortified for extreme conditions, demonstrate unwavering resilience, ensuring critical industrial processes flow uninterrupted.
In advanced water treatment facilities, our pipes are the arteries, ensuring every drop is purified for public consumption.
Witness the purity. Crystal clear water flows, meticulously monitored, ensuring uncompromised quality for every community.
In the heart of futuristic data centers, our pipes provide essential cooling, silently powering the digital world's infrastructure. Chilled pipes, adorned with condensation, silently work, dissipating immense heat and safeguarding critical digital infrastructure. In pristine laboratories, our pipes meticulously deliver precise fluids, empowering groundbreaking research and scientific innovation.
Through transparent pipes, vibrant liquids precisely mix, facilitating critical chemical reactions for groundbreaking scientific discoveries.
In hydroponic greenhouses, our pipes deliver vital nutrients, fostering sustainable growth and revolutionizing future food production. Witnessing life's intricate dance, roots thrive in nutrient-rich water, a testament to precise delivery and sustainable growth. Even amidst a storm, our pipes channel rainwater, demonstrating resilient infrastructure and unwavering commitment to sustainability. Rainwater surges through our robust pipes, a testament to their strength and the vital role in sustainable water management. In wind farms, our pipes safeguard vital underground cables, ensuring clean energy flows efficiently, powering a sustainable future.
Heavy-duty pipes provide impenetrable protection for critical underground cables, ensuring uninterrupted power delivery and reliability. In solar farms, our pipes silently cool and clean panels, maximizing energy capture and ensuring sustainable power generation.
Automated nozzles precisely clean solar panels, removing dust and maximizing efficiency for peak energy production. In urban parks, our hidden pipes silently nourish vibrant greenery, creating tranquil havens for city dwellers.
Pop-up sprinklers subtly hydrate urban flower beds, preserving beauty and providing essential care for public green spaces.
As dusk descends, our factory's intricate exterior pipes continue their silent work, vital for continuous operation.
Even in twilight, these robust pipes endure, silently ensuring the factory's unwavering functionality, day and night. Underpinning grand infrastructure, our pipes become integral to bridge construction, ensuring longevity and unwavering structural integrity.
Precisely positioned within the bridge's concrete, these heavy-duty pipes form an enduring, vital structural and drainage component.
Deep underground, robust pipes support tunnel boring machines, delivering essential utilities in extreme, pioneering environments.
Resilient pipes extend through the earth, enduring extreme conditions, ensuring continuous support for vital underground operations. At wastewater treatment plants, our robust pipes form the backbone, silently processing immense volumes, safeguarding public health.
Within the treatment plant, our pipes expertly convey active liquid, enduring demanding conditions, vital for environmental protection. In advanced chemical facilities, our specialized pipes safely transfer corrosive substances, ensuring precise and controlled operations. Through specialized pipes, vibrant chemicals flow with precision, monitored digitally, ensuring absolute safety and integrity.
In challenging mining operations, our heavy-duty pipes transport vital slurry and provide essential ventilation, ensuring safety. Our heavy-duty pipes courageously transport abrasive slurry, enduring extreme conditions, vital for continuous resource extraction.
On offshore rigs, our pipes bravely navigate extreme conditions, safely transferring vital oil and gas from the ocean's depths.
Enduring the ocean's fury, these reinforced pipes transport critical resources, safeguarding At geothermal plants, our pipes bravely harness Earth's raw heat, transforming it into clean, sustainable energy for communities.
Heavily insulated pipes contain superheated fluids, safely transferring geothermal energy, a testament to robust engineering. At desalination plants, our pipes are crucial, transforming vast seawater into precious, life-sustaining fresh water for communities. Through specialized pipes, purified fresh water flows, meticulously monitored, a testament to scientific innovation and resource creation.
In pristine food processing plants, our hygienic pipes safely convey food-grade liquids, ensuring unparalleled quality and safety.
Through hygienic pipes, vibrant food-grade liquids flow, meticulously controlled, upholding the highest standards of food safety. In pharmaceutical facilities, our sterile pipes convey ultra-pure liquids, critical for life-saving medicines and groundbreaking research.
Through sterile pipes, ultra-pure liquids flow, meticulously monitored, upholding absolute purity for critical pharmaceutical production.
In microchip cleanrooms, our pipes deliver ultra-pure gases and chemicals, powering the future of cutting-edge electronics. A symphony of precision, ultra-pure gases flow through specialized pipes, enabling the intricate fabrication of microchips.
In modern medical facilities, our sterile pipes deliver vital gases, ensuring life-saving care.
Connected directly to patients, these sterile pipes ensure precise, uninterrupted medical gas delivery, vital for recovery.
On research vessels, our pipes precisely transfer ocean samples, facilitating groundbreaking discoveries in marine science.
Through specialized pipes, clear seawater samples flow, meticulously analyzed, revealing the ocean's intricate secrets.
At the launch pad, our pipes precisely transfer cryogenic fuels and coolants, powering humanity's ambitious journey to the stars.
Cryogenic pipes, covered in frost, bravely transport volatile fuels, ensuring precise, safe delivery for spacecraft launches.
In the abyssal depths, our pipes provide life support and collect samples, facilitating profound.
Under immense pressure, reinforced pipes brave the deep, collecting vital data, illuminated by subtle bioluminescence. On the lunar surface, our pipes deliver life-sustaining air and water, vital for humanity's pioneering journey beyond Earth. Vacuum-sealed pipes, dusted with lunar regolith, bravely maintain life support, essential for humanity's extraterrestrial future.
Within the space station, Our pipes form a closed-loop system, recycling air and water, sustaining life in orbit.
In zero gravity, our pipes meticulously recycle water, creating life-sustaining droplets, crucial for astronaut survival.
On Mars, our pipes are the lifeline, delivering air and water, essential for humanity's
Radiation-shielded pipes, dusted with Martian regolith, courageously maintain life support, securing humanity's future on the red planet.
It's amazing how clean the city is now.
The new water purification system really changed everything.
Through transparent pipes, shimmering energy flows, powering the city of tomorrow, a testament to advanced, integrated infrastructure.
Perfect. The air feels much fresher now.
It's amazing how efficient everything is. The water levels look great.
Can we water the garden later?
Hidden within smart home walls, our pipes silently recycle water, a testament to intelligent design and sustainable living.
In vertical farms, our pipes precisely deliver nutrients, cultivating lush crops. Secure nutrient-rich water flows through transparent pipes, directly nourishing plant roots, ensuring optimal growth and future food security.
From our Earth to distant stars, these pipes form the unseen, indispensable network